Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a zombie from Minecraft. Let's get started at the top of our page with the head. So we're going to be drawing a three-dimensional block. So just over towards the left side of center, I'm going to draw a straight line coming down for the front edge of the head. From the ends, we're going to draw two angled lines going up and out towards the right for the top and bottom edge of the head. So let's start with the top line first. Going up and then out. Go to the bottom. Now I want to draw the same length line going up and out towards the right. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a straight line coming down. Now with this being the face side of the character, we're going to draw on the side of the head. So let's start at the bottom corner here. We're going to angle up and out towards the left. And then from this point, we're going to draw the same length line going up in that same angle. And now we're going to connect those 2 points with a straight line coming down. From this top corner, we're going to take this line and just duplicate it up here. Starting on the left, we're going to go up in an angle. Now we're going to take these 2 points and connect. And want to make sure that this angle is the same as this one up here. So starting at the top, we'll come down in an angle. Now before I draw any detail, I want to draw on the rest of the body. So let's start with the arms. We're going to have the arms pushed out forward. So we're going to start about halfway along this line. We're going to angle down and out, following that same angle as we have in the front of the head. Out towards the edge of the arm. Now from here, this is the top of the arm. It's going to come outwards. So from here, we want to follow that same angled line, coming down and out. We're going to go to the back and draw that same length line. To right about there. Now I'm going to connect these 2 points. Now you'll notice that this angle is going to be the same as the head. So we're going to take this point, angle up and out. Now we're going to take this top side of the arm and just duplicate it in the back. So we're just going to imagine a straight angled line going up. So this is where the edge of the hand on the right is going to be. Starting from the chin, just follow that same angled line to right about there. We're just going to follow that same line going up and out towards the right. Now we're going to pull this back in behind the head. Now let's square off the front of the arms. From this point here, we're going to come straight down the line. From the inside, we'll do the same thing. Now we're going to close this bottom part off with an angled line going up. Now we're going to take that and draw the same thing on the right side. Now let's move to the back of the arm and just draw the back edge of the arm here. So it's the same length line. From this top corner, we're going to come down. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a straight angled line. Now before I draw on the lower part of the right arm, I want to draw on the body because the body will overlap the arm. So from the corner of the head, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down in behind the front arm. We're going to continue down towards the bottom of the body. Now let's take this point and just follow that same angled line going up and then in behind the body. From this bottom line, I'm just going to draw the front edge of the body, coming down in that same angle towards the left. Now we're going to pull this straight up underneath this arm. Now we're going to draw on the side of the body. From this point, again, following that same angle of the arm, going back. Now we're going to pull this up underneath the arm, going up. Now we're going to see the back of the body in behind the head and the arm. Just going to draw a straight line, just lined up with the side of the body. Now let's continue moving down with the legs. So I have them in a walking position. So halfway along this line, we're going to locate the center. We start with the right leg first. So this one's going to be pushed outwards. Starting right in the middle, we're going to angle down and out towards the right. We're going to go to the corner of the body and draw that same length line. Coming down. Now let's connect those 2 points with a straight line. Now let's draw on the front face of the left leg. Starting from the center, this leg's going to be pushed back. From here, we're going to angle down towards the left, towards the bottom of the leg. Now we're going to move over towards the corner of the body and then just follow that same angled line coming down. Now we're going to connect those 2 points with a straight angled line. Now from this corner here, we're just going to angle up and out towards the back of the leg. And then again, following the same angled line in behind the body. So starting down here, we're going to follow that all the way up in behind the body. Let's move back over towards the right side. Now we're going to draw on the inside edge of this leg. From this point, we're going to angle down. Now we're going to pull this up with an angle line in behind the left leg. Now we want to show the bottom face of the leg. So we're going to take this line, and from this corner, we're just going to follow that same angle and same length coming down. We'll connect those 2 points with an angled line. Now that we've drawn in the form of the body, let's go in and add some detail. We're going to start with the bottom of the legs first. We're going to start at the bottom here, taking this angled line, we're going to step up, just draw that same thing just above. Now this angle, we're just going to follow that from this point, going up and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Following this angle, we're going to step up, and then this angle is going to get duplicated right up above there. Let's add 2 small rectangles in the center of each leg. So on the left side, I'm going to leave a gap on either side. We're going to draw a straight line. We're just going to angle down on both sides with a short line, and then we're going to go across. Let's do the same thing on this side. So taking that same angle, leaving a gap on either side, go across, come down, 2 short lines, and then connect the bottom. Now let's move up and draw on the torn edge of the bottom of the shirt. So from this corner of the body, we're going to step in, draw a straight line going up. Now we're going to come down at an angle. Now we're going to go back up again. Now from here, we're just going to follow that same angle coming down towards the edge of the body. Now we're going to go up and back with a straight line. In the center of the body up here, we're going to add the torn edge of the shirt. So we're going to step over from the side of the body, we're going to come down with a straight line. We're going to angle down and in. Now we're going to come straight down in behind the front arm. You can see a little edge of the shirt on this side, so stepping in from the arm, draw a straight line coming down. Let's add the edge of the sleeves to the arms. So from here, we're going to step in, draw a straight line from top to bottom. Now from this point, we're going to follow that same angled line going up towards the inside of the arm. We're going to do the same thing on the right side. So we're going to line this up, go across with a straight angled line, and then from the inside, we'll come straight down towards the bottom of the arm. Now let's move up to the face and draw in some detail. So right in the middle of this box, we're going to step down and draw on the nose. So we're going to start with a straight angled line. Starting from the left, we're going to go up and out. We're going to come straight down on either side. Now let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Now from the top 2 corners, we're going to continue that line going up to the inside edge of the eyes. And then from the top, we're going to follow that same angle, coming down and out towards the left, leaving a little gap on the side. Do the same thing on the right side. Now from the bottom, just at the top edge of the nose, we're going to do that same angled line coming out. And then we'll close off the ends with a straight line. Now we're going to fill the eyes in black. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the hairline. So just above the eye, along this line, we're just going to angle in and up. Come straight up with a short line. Now we're going to follow that line and angle going back in. We'll go straight up. Now again, following that angled line, going across towards the right. And then again from here, we're going to come straight down with a short line. And we'll go all the way across and up towards the side of the head. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the Minecraft zombie. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.